Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a withdrawal in 1xBet Tamil. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. All you have to do is go into your menu. Once in your menu, go to the right upmost corner in the option settings. Once in settings, you're going to go to withdraw from account. Then, once in withdraw from account, you're going to choose any method to withdraw funds from your account. For example, since you are in Tamil, you're going to choose any method most adequate for you. I don't really master the methods used in Tamil, but you're going to choose them since you're going to see them in your 1xBet interface. And that will be all for your withdrawal.